I'm back again. Thank y'all for joining me again. I got the casserole. It's chicken and potato casserole. That's just all I knew to name it because that's basically what it is. So, and this is part 2, and I'll have to go back and edit it. It would not let me post the title. You know, it's Facebook is cranky sometimes. But anyway, I've got the chicken and potato casserole out of the oven. So now I'm going to taste it. This is it. You can, I started to leave it in there a little bit longer so the cheese was kind of browned, but I didn't because I didn't want the chicken, the cheese to burn. So I didn't. I only cooked it 25 minutes. And this looks delicious. See? And that cheese. You don't want to leave it in the oven too long with that cheese on top because it will get hard. And you want it creamy. Thank you, Jesus. It's hot, so I'm gonna wait a few minutes. And like I said, I didn't know the name of this. All I knew, Linda, she's had other things to do today. She was on yesterday doing a strawberry pie, and it looked delicious too. It's just a little harder for us to go 100. Well, it's 55 miles over there one way, and then 55 miles back. And time we get through doing these, we don't feel like driving home. So we're not together as much as we used to. So I'm going to try to taste it. Thank you, Jesus. I tried to get a little bit of the chicken and the potatoes. Let's see. I don't believe, yeah, I did. No, I don't. I didn't get a piece of chicken. Let me get a piece of chicken. That's delicious. That has a really good flavor. Really good. That's good. It sure is. If you don't like those fresh tomatoes in there, just omit it. I kind of debated on putting them in there myself, but it's really good. It's all the measurements, and I hope I can remember what the measurements that I put in here. I think I can. I just wrote that recipe down last night, and then when I got to cooking it today, I didn't even put the measurements on the paper. Let me get me a drink of water. I don't know what it is. My mother was that way too. I get choked really easy. And I can't talk and eat. My son, Chuck, if he comes out here and I'm eating or something, he said, Mother, I'll come back later. I get choked almost every time that I try to eat and talk. I can't do it. So anyway, thank y'all so much for coming back and joining me. I will be posting this recipe as soon as I get off air and I get my breath. It was something I was going to tell y'all, but I forgot. I got choked. And it really wasn't on the food. It's just, it's harder for me to swallow. I think my esophagus has gotten smaller or something. My mother was that way. So I have to really be careful. And I didn't take too big of a bite. I can get choked on my own saliva sometimes. I don't know if that has anything to do with age or that's just my body. I do. Last week I was supposed to go to the heart doctor. I told y'all that. Well, they changed it till this Friday. And so they called me this morning. They told me to stop taking one of the blood pressure medicines I'm taking. She said, you need to stop that. And I said, why? They said, well, it was your blood work. I said, ma'am, I haven't had blood work done since January, and I've been taking that pill ever since January. She said, well, according to your blood work, you shouldn't be taking it. And I took it twice a day. That's why I'm saying sometimes I wonder if these doctors knows what they're doing. Well, what it is, they got too many patients, and two, you don't see the same doctor. So they're not going back to your regular doctor's notes, and they don't know what's going on. So anyway, we'll see what the outcome of it Friday. And say you can have your esophagus stretched. I know, Deborah. I know I can. I think Mama had it done. But that's just another procedure. And I might have to, but I'm not going to do it unless I really, really have to. Anyway, y'all try this and see how you like it. It's really, really good. I'm gonna eat this. See that mozzarella cheese because I did not cook it for 25 minutes. I really seriously thought about cooking it longer because I wanted it to be a little the cheese to be a little brown. But when I dipped it up, I realized that if it had gotten brown, it would have got a little crusty, and it might not have been as creamy. So I like it just the way I did it. So hope y'all try this, and I think Linda may do a video tomorrow. She may do one this evening. I don't know. I know there was something she was wanting to cook today, so she may get on here this afternoon and do another video. I really want to do a video on one of those salads that I made, and it's called, well, I'm not going to tell you what it's called, but it's different, and y'all are going to love it. It was the best salad, and it's kind of a 4th of July salad. It's sweet, but it is delicious. I mean, it was gone in no time, Sunday. And anyway, I will do that. I'm not, I probably won't do it this week because I'm going to the doctor on Friday. Unless it depends on when Linda comes on. If she comes on Thursday, well then I won't do it. Anyway, I've got all the things. Chuck was out here last night, and I give him whatever I don't want that overflow in my refrigerator, and he found my strawberries. I said, I'm going to use those strawberries as a recipe I'm going to make with them, and of course he didn't care. I always overbuy things, and just to save him a little bit, money. Well, he just gets whatever I have that I'm not going to be using. I guess I'm run out of breath or whatever. So thank y'all so much for joining me. And I will put the recipe to this chicken and potato casserole on this page. I'm going to post a picture of it, and then I'm going to do the recipe. It's not that complicated, and I will give you the measurements. So thank y'all so much. Don't forget to share and our videos and like and follow us, and we appreciate that so much. Thank you for all of y'all jumping back on. Love y'all. Bye-bye. Don't forget to count your blessings. We have many to thank the Lord for. All right. Bye-bye.